We've had people ask us, how do you use the original 20-pound RootX bag that was originally designed for the FDU 100 and 200 with the new FDU 300 transfer tube? It's actually pretty easy. The first thing you're going to want to do is follow the directions for use on mixing the 20-pound bag. Once the 20-pound bag is completely mixed, you will lay the bag down and you will come over to the nozzle end of the bag. At the point on the nozzle end where the bag tapers up, you're going to want to go about halfway up that taper and you're going to want to cut that bag at that point. Now that the bag is open, you're going to insert the transfer tube into the opening and fold over the excess bag. Then you can take your locking clamp, slide it on the transfer tube and bag, and slide it to the top of the transfer tube, locking it into place at the top edge. Then you want to take your rubber O-ring, roll it over the transfer tube and over the bag, completely sealing off the bag. At this point, the transfer tube and bag are ready to be put on the FDU 300 in the tripod, and you can load it. If you have any questions, feel free to contact your RootX rep or to go to rootx.com.